Have you ever experienced tough moments when your life seemed too heavy to bear? When every step you took felt like a Herculean struggle against insurmountable odds? It's in these moments of darkness that you desperately seek a glimmer of hope or inspiration from someone. But it's not easy to find the correct person who can be your mentor. Besides, not all problems in life can be easily shared with someone. So, what do you do? Before I answer, let me tell you a story. Once, a bankrupt businessman was on his way to commit suicide. He decided to go to some lonely place to snuff out his life and end his financial misery. On the way, he accidentally read an inspirational quote on a billboard. This gave him a sudden dose of courage, and he stopped his fatal adventure immediately. He cancelled his plan of committing suicide and went home re-energized. Then he rebooted his life and grew his business to greater heights. Now, what does this story teach you? Here is the answer. Often, a short, piercing sentence, a stinging insult, a famous quote, or a chance remark by someone can have a terrific impact on you than a long lecture, and maybe completely change your life from that moment onwards. This inspirational effect is very similar to how a small pin can puncture a high-pressure balloon or a car tire. Most famous quotes are also short, piercing sentences of wisdom that can puncture your high stress and change your life in an instant. They have the remarkable ability to uplift spirits, instill courage, solve problems, and guide you through the darkest of times. For example, a random motivational quote saved that businessman's life by giving him a burst of courage to continue with life no matter what. The literary world is filled with thousands of amazing quotes on topics like personal development, stress reduction, mental health, management, leadership, inspiration, motivation, spirituality, humor, etc. by famous people. However, merely reading a great quote is not enough. It is just a small appetizer. To have a full meal, you need to extract insights and wisdom from those great quotes. This book series shows how you can extract the essence and apply it to your life. This insightful series is your daily companion, offering a year's worth of thought-provoking and uplifting affirmations to guide you through each day of the month. From jump-starting your January with a renewed sense of purpose to ending with Delight Your December, these books offer a daily dose of wisdom and encouragement. With practical tips and thought-provoking insights, these unique books will surely become your trusted companions for life. Now let us look at the summary of each volume. Volume 1. Jumpstart Your January. Timeless wisdom on inspiration, motivation, and courage. Kickstart the year with timeless wisdom on finding inspiration, building motivation, and embracing courage. Let each day in January empower you to take bold steps and create a foundation for an extraordinary year. Volume 2. Fortify Your February. Relieve stress, stop negative spirals, and declutter your mind. Break free from stress, eliminate negativity, and clear the clutter in your mind. Let February equip you with tools to build inner strength and maintain emotional balance in any situation. Volume 3. Master Your March. Timeless wisdom on money, frugality, minimalism, and simplicity. Discover the secrets to mastering your finances, living frugally, and embracing minimalism and simplicity. Let March be your month to create lasting habits for financial clarity and mindful living. Volume 4. Accomplish Your April. Timeless wisdom on management, leadership, and workplace issues. Unleash your potential with timeless wisdom on management, leadership, and workplace dynamics. Let April help you conquer challenges, inspire others, and achieve success in your professional life. Volume 5. Maximize your May. Timeless wisdom on religion, spirituality, and history. Explore profound lessons on religion, spirituality, and history to deepen your understanding of the world and your purpose. Let May offer insights to fuel your spiritual growth and connect with something greater. Volume 6. Joyride your June. Timeless wisdom on family, friends, and relationships. Strengthen your bonds with family, friends, and loved ones through meaningful relationships. Let June provide timeless advice on building trust, nurturing connections, and cherishing the people in your life. Volume 7. Jolt your July. Timeless wisdom on health, fitness, and wellness. Recharge your mind and body with wisdom on health, fitness, and wellness. Let July inspire you to take control of your well-being and thrive with energy and vitality. Volume 8. Accelerate your August. Timeless wisdom on learning, knowledge, and books. Ignite your curiosity with timeless lessons on learning, knowledge, and the love of books. Let August motivate you to become a lifelong learner and expand your horizons. Volume 9. Soothe your September. Timeless wisdom on hobbies, passion, and relaxation. Rediscover joy through hobbies, passions, and moments of relaxation. Let September teach you how to make time for what you love and find fulfillment in everyday pleasures. Volume 10. Outshine your October. Timeless wisdom on law, crime, and safety. Stay safe and informed with practical wisdom on law, crime, and personal safety. Let October empower you to navigate the complexities of life with confidence and awareness. Volume 11. Navigate your November. Timeless wisdom on troubles, disappointments, and roadblocks. Face challenges head-on with timeless guidance on overcoming troubles, disappointments, and roadblocks. Let November be your guide to building resilience and finding light in the darkest moments. Volume 12. Delight your December. Timeless wisdom on happiness, gratitude, charity, and positivity. End the year with happiness, gratitude, and positivity through daily doses of inspiration. Let December encourage you to give back, celebrate your growth, and embrace the joy of the season. Don't wait to live your best life. Order the 12-month transformation series today. Available on Amazon and all non-Amazon platforms in paperback and ebook formats. Book purchase links in the description below. About the author. Thejendra Sreenivas is an author and book publishing coach and offers services like assisted self-publishing and manuscript formatting. He has written 35-plus books on various subjects. He is also the editor and publisher of Personal Development Magazine, available on Amazon and all non-Amazon platforms. Please visit his web cave, www.thejendra.com or www.authorworld.com for more details.